G'day guys, Greg here. Now, on the weekend I went to the farmer's market and while I was there I decided to buy myself a salad for brunch. It was so good that I had to come home and actually make another one for lunch. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of these salads that I had at the farmer's market, mate. It was so tasty and so easy to make. Let me show you what I'm using. So what this salad had in it was some rice, a cucumber, avocado. I got a bag of salad mix here. This is basically what was in it, and this is a whole lot easier than having to do all the work like preparing it. And I got some pre-cooked smoked salmon here. Oh yeah, and also you'll probably need some mayonnaise and some soy sauce as well. Alright, well we'll start preparing the rice. Basically what they used was some cold rice. So I just want to, well, just get a cup of rice there. I'll give it a quick rinse. Drain the water out, well, as much as possible. Throw the rice back in that I've caught, and I will be using, well, 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. Lid on, and this goes into the nuker for 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, about 17 minutes. Of course, if you've already got some pre-cooked rice, that makes this meal so much faster to prepare. Anyway, while that's cooking, let's start just preparing some of the other things. Now, because I've already bought the bag of veggies here, there's hardly any preparation involved. I do have a cucumber here, which was in the recipe, but you don't have to add it. And also what they had was some avocado. Of course, that is pretty trendy, isn't it? Of course, you're going to get that at the farmer's market. So I'll just prepare a couple of slices of that. Alright, now that the rice is cooked, I really want to just let it cool down as fast as I can. So take the lid off and give it a mix around, and that'll help it cool down a little bit faster. So let's start preparing this. It takes no time at all to prepare. So we'll put some rice in the bottom first. If your rice is still a bit warm, don't stress too much because, well, if you spread it out like this, it'll cool down pretty fast. But sometimes some of the heat in this doesn't seem to affect the taste. It actually probably makes the taste better. And I'll get some of this salad mix and just put that over the top. They had some cucumber on the side here just to make it look pretty, as well as some of this avocado as well. They were sort of just frayed along the side a little bit like that. Now with the salmon, it was sort of just chunks of it really. So it was sort of like that. Probably better looking though. And then basically it was just grab your mayo and put some lines across like this. And add a sprinkle of soy to taste. And there you have it, a replica of the smoked salmon salad I had at the farmer's market. How easy is it to make? And the taste? Man, that is so tasty. Man, I love salads. Oh, dude, this is going to be a staple in my house from now on. It's so fresh and tasty, and if you've already got the rice cooked, it takes like a minute to throw together. Well, there you go. There's something different on Greg's Kitchen, something really nice and healthy. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I make something healthy. I wonder when that'll be. See you then. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.